Infants learn language long before they speak. Through gestures and simple baby signs, they express themselves and joyfully uncover the magic of communication. Rich stories and sensory play help toddlers uncover letters and words all around them. Combined with familiar songs and gentle social interactions, meaning takes root and language begins to bloom. In nursery, early literacy unfolds gently, as children trace letters, tune into sounds, and gaining the confidence to communicate their growing thoughts. In nursery 2, phonics unlocks the magic of reading, where sounds come together, letters blend, and children proudly read their first words. As they grow, children choose their own stories, led by curiosity. Each page turned and each word sounded out becomes a step toward independence and the joy of language. In Kindergarten 1, our teachers prepare children for writing by strengthening phonics mastery, accurate spelling, and early sentence construction skills. With ISMILE's story grammar program, literacy becomes dialogue. Children listen, retell, and represent stories using symbols, developing higher-order thinking as they strengthen narrative structure, vocabulary, and oral comprehension. At ISMILE, literacy is more than a skill. It is the groundwork for thinking, expressing, and thriving. From first words to emerging authorship, literacy equips children to share their voice and contribute meaningfully to the world they will one day lead.